Currently, I'm selling my boat, my sailboat, which is going to be hard on me. I love my boat, but I'm not going to be able to take care of her. And as you can see, the winter has not been kind to Buena Ventura. We lost power February, March. It's been a real long time. I was able to get some of it handled using one leg off the shore power to the boat shore power connector, and a separate line, a separate 30 amp line coming in through the cabin doors, which handled a heater to keep the boat from freezing. But I couldn't do much on board. Essentially, the last 2 months have not been done with anything. So what I'm doing now is starting to sort things out, put storage boxes in place, and pretty much find a way to take care of making everything accessible again. We have projects coming up, which include the engines, working on those, and bringing in someone who might be able to help teach me Detroit diesel, love, care, and feeding. So those are that's going to be a fun. Hopefully we can video that. The helm needs to be redone. I need a throttle cable for the port engine. Need to sew curtains, side curtains for the flybridge and the sun deck. As you'll see, there are no curtains. If you look back to Walking Gale, one of the original videos I created, learning how to use the GoPro, there you can see the some of the torn up side curtains. Since then, we've had quite a bit. I've done quite a bit, but there's so much more to do when you're rebuilding or recommissioning an old boat, especially one that has had probably a lightning strike, which explains a lot of the power line issues. Gone through battery replacement. Now I have to install the water pumps eventually. It's not a high priority because we're still stuck at the dock, but it's a nuisance having to haul water for the basics and not having anything on board other than what I can carry. Next up will be cleaning teak on days when it's nice to clean teak. I do look forward to finishing the how to install a I'm looking forward to how to install the antenna cable from the antenna to a radio. That was stopped when we learned that the supplied cable did not reach far enough. And I had to go buy a new cable. Part of my issues here is there's no West Marine or other marine store very close. There is one, but it's usually not. There's a store, but it's usually not open, and they don't carry a lot of things that we need for this boat. They carry a lot of fishing boat supplies. Wow, I wish I could flip the camera around, but the bald eagle that eats across from us just took off across the water. Oh, down below, got bilge issues that I need to take care of. The front shower sump pump doesn't work. I need to take care of that, but the sump pump itself, the forward sump pump works. It's just there's a lot of little things, But then there's a lot of, I don't see where it belongs or where it's from or how to find it. There's still a lot of that going on. At least I know I'm not losing my mind and there was no freshwater pump left on board. So that sort of thing is taken care of. The main one is why I'm doing these videos. There's almost nothing on YouTube that I can find that shows rebuilding, recommissioning a large boat. You've got the smaller boats, fine. I have a smaller boat, a sailboat, and a 26-foot fishing boat. But doing anything on board a large boat like this, the systems are there, they're the same, but they're so different. So I'm looking forward. I'm just plugging along, and I'll keep these things up as long as I can. The audio on the tour is going to be a little messy at times, but we'll make it. I'll up that when I do the video work on it. So until then, thank you.